In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Flixbus tickets online. To get started, head over to flixbus.com or you can also access Flixbus via the Flixbus app. Now from the homepage, enter your departure city, destination, and travel date. Add return travel if needed. Use this filter search bar to customize according to your preference. Flixbus will then show you all the available buses for that day. Here, compare departure times, arrival times, prices, and transfer routes. Choose the one that fits your schedule. Now, from here, start by filling out the passenger information. Then, next is choose your seat if the route supports seat selection. You can also add extras like extra baggage, priority boarding, or carbon offset. Next is add in your contact information such as your email and phone number. Make sure the email is correct. That's where your ticket will be delivered. Then lastly is choose your payment method. Flixbus accepts credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other local options. Make sure that you complete the checkout and once done, your ticket arrives instantly by email and in the app. Now, on the travel day, just show your QR code ticket on your phone, no printing needed, and enjoy your trip. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!